Hello, today we're going with an amazing recipe that I'm sure you're going to enjoy a lot. It's orange chicken. The first thing I do is slice some onion rings for today's recipe. I'm going to chop 2 onions because I'm going to make a bed with them, and also 6 or 7 potatoes. Here the trick is to make sure the slices are about the same thickness and not too thick. That's the trick. Next we go to the tray where we want to bake today's chicken. We pour a good amount of oil on the bottom and spread it around with one of the potato slices. That way you don't get your hands dirty if you spread it quickly. So the whole base gets coated with oil and nothing will stick. This way there's less to clean up and everything tastes better. It's all benefits. Next, we put the onion directly onto the tray, spreading it out evenly to make a sort of bed that will release its juices so everything cooks better. Subscribe. On top of this onion, we place the potatoes, arranging them one after another so they cover the entire surface of the tray. And if you have to use a little extra potato, just press them down a bit, it's no problem. We add salt to taste on top, and now they're seasoned with salt and pepper, because we also add freshly ground black pepper, which enhances the flavors and turns out great. And now the magic ingredient, orange juice. It's better if it's freshly squeezed. A good glass is enough. Now let's get to the magic of the chicken. We put a 1/4 cup of oil in a slightly larger container and a good splash, almost the same amount, of lemon juice. Add salt to taste here. Also add black pepper to taste, of course. And we're going to give it 2 extra touches of flavor. You can skip it, but I recommend you add plenty of garlic powder, a good spoonful, and also add some spices. I like to add thyme, which I have a little bit right here, and I also like to add oregano, so now I have everything. And now with a fork, we're going to mix it. We're going to give it a good stir with a fork until everything has a uniform texture. So keep stirring it until you see that it's mixed well. Don't worry, in about half a minute, you'll have a texture like this, perfect for spreading all the flavors. And I'm going to use chicken leg quarters, specifically 6, although you could use whichever pieces of chicken you prefer. The trick is to grab them and coat them well. If you have a little brush like this, fantastic. If not, just use your freshly washed hands. I give it the final turns and will coat it very thinly. That is, I'm going to coat both the skin on this side and on the other side so that it's nicely coated and all the flavors are ready. Remember that it's good to have washed the chicken right before and let it drain a bit. Now that we have it coated, we're going to place it on the tray where we have the potatoes. And we're going to place them one after another. But make sure to place them skin side down, the nice side facing down. That's because later we'll flip them over in the oven. We use the rest of the liquid to baste the chicken on top. And now we're going to put them in the oven. Perfect. We have it preheated to 220 degrees Celsius, which is about 420 Fahrenheit. We're going to leave it in there with heat from above and below for at least an hour. But the trick is that after half an hour, about halfway through, when you see it starting to brown, you should flip it over. That way, the nice side ends up facing up with the final color. So we're going to keep flipping one after another, and in my case, the 6 pieces I'm preparing. Just like that, it's that easy. As you can see, it's already releasing its juices. The chicken, along with the glass of orange juice we added, makes the potatoes cook at the same time and with the flavor of the vegetables. Now I have it ready. Look at how the heat comes out of the oven. But through the steam, we can see that this already looks amazing. An orange chicken prepared in just a moment. You just need to add some sliced orange to decorate and take it to the table. Because here everyone is eager to enjoy. Look at how amazing it looks and how crispy it is when you run the fork over the skin. A perfect roast chicken, ideal to take to the table and enjoy. I hope you like the recipe. It's perfect for the whole family. And since I'm here, I'm going to have a little taste myself. And I want you to tell me, what's your favorite chicken recipe? Let me know in the comments and also tell me where you're watching the video from. This way we explore the world through tasty recipes.